Yeah, it is me. There you go. Hello everyone, how are you all doing? So after almost 2 to 3 weeks, actually more than 3 weeks, I'm stepping out because I just wanted a couple of things, and I have actually not been going out. Thankfully, you know, most of the things that we want are being delivered. So I live in a neighborhood where online services are still active, and I'm so grateful for that. So I'm trying, me and my family were trying not to misuse the fact that, you know, where there are people out there who are actually doing things for us, we would rather appreciate that than, you know, do things just because, you know, we want to go out. But then today I am stepping out because there were a couple of things which I'm not finding them online, and I'm also not sure if I'll find them in the supermarket, but I wanted to try. And I'm going out with my sister, my younger sister actually, who has not come out of the house from March 18th. So she's been in self-isolation and self-quarantine since then. So we thought, oh my god, it's wow, I so needed that, guys. It's so beautiful out here. Today is such a nice pleasant day. It's been hot in Hyderabad, but yeah, today surprisingly is actually good. It's breezy, so yeah, we needed that, I guess. So yeah, so stepping out quickly to the supermarket, and I thought I'll take you guys with me just to see how things are on my part of the world, my side of the world. So that's about it, guys. So come join me here on my YouTube channel, Queen Diaries, as I take you on a quick errand to the nearest supermarket. Sister is actually with me here today, and she has been in self-isolation and self-quarantine from March 18th? March 15th, yeah. And she has not stepped out of the house, like literally she's not gone out. So this is the first time she's actually coming out, and we're not going to go far, just on the main road, take a quick turn and come, because she needs it more than me. And this is my second time ever since the lockdown began here in India. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Huh? Wow. Hey, it looks like we have ended up with new roads. We didn't have this before. This happened. Probably this is the surprise that everybody was actually talking about, you know, by the time the lockdown is over. I read this news that, you know, Hyderabad is in for a surprise. Probably this is one of them. It's been so long since I radio in the car. I've been missing that a lot. Oh god, I just realized that listening to a radio and being in a car is something. Yeah, my sister so needed that. What happened? Oh god, this should be done. I'll tell you a story. I should have taken a U-turn because I just realized I forgot my license. Matrao, you're here without a license? You didn't remind me. How would I know you'll come out without a license?
Like, alert points kada. More cards avanni anukuna.
That's okay. We're just here, that's okay. Definitely there is some kind of work that is going on here, and yeah, looks like there's this was supposed to be a flyover, I think, so that work looks like it's in progress. Not too many people, again, very few, but it is happening. Yeah, so this is one update. Oh wow, yeah, there's actually some work going on here. Wow, yeah, we are definitely in for a surprise because there is something going on here. And yeah, everything looks closed, so this is what is going on. Not many people on the roads, which is actually a good sign, except for work. I guess that is how, you know, things are being done. Things are actually getting done in the city. So except for them, not many people out. And the vehicles which I'm seeing are actually going around with notices saying that they're there for COVID relief. Or I mean, they're on government duty or they're either doctors. So yeah, I'm here at a supermarket which I used to go quite regularly because I like it. So we thought we'll stop here, pick up things and then go home.
There's a
Yeah.
fridge.
Okay, so this is something which I spotted here outside Ratnadeep. So looks like these things are operating. We are here at Ratnadeep supermarket right now, and outside I met these two people who were literally asking us to buy them rice because apparently they didn't get anything from the government yet. So we thought we'll just pick up probably some rice and maybe some dal and give it to them. If you can see, they wanted some rice and pappo, so we thought we'll give it to them. Okay, looks like Ratnadeep has been stocking up, so which was actually a good sign. People who grew up in Dubai will know what I'm talking about because this is a brand which we used to drink when we were back there, and it took just 25 years, I guess, for it to reach India. So definitely picking this up. Just realized how much I missed supermarket shopping because everybody in my house, we're all foodies, you know, we love cooking, and cooking is like a huge stress relief, stress buster kind of thing, and coming and picking ingredients out is like, wow, it's really good, and I've been missing that. So today's been a good day so far. Actually hooked on to baking, and she's been trying to make pizzas and stuff, and surprisingly I thought I'll find yeast, which I'm not. So it looks like everyone is actually into it. So let's just check if I can find some yeast for her. Kind of giving me an idea for this Ramzan. I just realized, looking at all these dates around me, that it's Ramzan season, and it has just hit me that I want to do a small recipe for you guys which circles around dates. Okay, I'm going to pick one of this, and yeah, let's make something out of this. Guess what I did here in the supermarket? I actually wanted to check on my phone, but then I grabbed my sister's phone and sorry, I got distracted because I was looking for my card. There it is. Yeah, so I just checked my sister's phone, and guess what, guys? I've come up with this recipe which I've seen for the first time. Sorry, let's do this once again. So I just checked Pinterest for date recipes, guys, and guess what? I came across something which was very interesting, and that is stuffed dates, and I had no idea that you can actually do that. So I thought I'll share 3 of those recipes which I found interesting. I'm gonna go home and make them, and before I do that I need to pick them up. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then we'll head back home and then do the recipes. So let's go shopping. Cheese spread, smoked paprika, chili pepper. Hey, yeah, this will do. Okay, and let's also pick up cheese cubes. Okay, we don't have cheese at home, so I'm going to pick this up. Milky Mist or Amul cheese? Let's see, anything should do. 144. Yeah, going with this. Wanted some mint. I don't think they have any, so we'll figure out something else for that. And the quest for salted nut begins. I need something salty because I kind of personally love the taste of salt and sweet together. So let's see if we find something. Let's see. Anything which is... Hey! What's that? Okay, this should do. Salted peanuts. salted pistas. Sorry, not peanuts. Done, bingo. Okay, so looks like we're good. So that's what we picked up for today. Productive day. I'm glad I came supermarket shopping, and I'm also happy that we were in the process able to help someone as well. Guys, I'm saying this out loud because I've noticed that there were a lot of people out here giving them money, which is like 10 rupees, 2 rupees and stuff. So if somebody is actually in need, buying them like a kg of rice and probably 5 kgs of rice and probably like a kg dal, see, like a bigger thing to do. So that's what we did. And if you do find someone, I urge you all, if you can, help them with food rather than money. Done with shopping, and now let's head home and make some snacks because yeah, we are hungry. Okay, N95 mask is actually a little better than the cloth that I used to use. Yeah, very much it's making a difference, but then I still do not like wearing it, and I can just hope and will walk around freely without masks and just breathe. Hopefully fresh air and not the polluted air that we used to before. But yeah, I can just pray. But yeah, let's set the tone, let's set the intention. Stay strong, stay positive, and let's head home. Quarantine has been tough on all of us. But let's not forget, this is the beautiful month of blessings and prayers. And I believe in them, and I know this will all be over soon. Make sure you check back in next week because I'm going to share those recipes that I was talking about in this video. And also, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Take care, stay strong, stay positive, stay healthy, stay safe. Until I see you next time. Bye guys.